journey begins in tropical coconut groves.
Mature coconuts hang ready for harvest. Brown husked fruits contain white flesh for milk extraction.
Expert climbers ascend palms using traditional methods. Skilled harvest ensuring coconut quality.
Coconuts released carefully from crown. Controlled drop, protecting valuable fruit inside brown husk.
Brown fibrous husk protects coconut during harvest. Natural armor preserving white flesh inside. Workers gather brown coconuts systematically. Collection, organizing harvest for processing. Harvested coconuts travel from palms to collection center. Speed maintaining freshness for milk extraction. Collection center aggregates plantation harvest. Brown coconuts gathered before factory transport. Inspector verifies coconut maturity by sound. Liquid sloshing indicates proper harvest timing for milk. Quality approved brown coconuts loaded for factory. Only premium fruits for milk extraction. Brown coconuts journey to processing facility. Rapid transport preserving freshness for white milk extraction. Processing facility receives fresh brown coconuts. Modern plant where fruit becomes creamy white milk. Fresh brown coconuts unloaded rapidly. Speed preserving quality for premium white milk production.
Brown coconuts enter climate-controlled facility. Controlled conditions for consistent white milk quality.
Rotating brushes clean brown husk exteriors. Sanitation preparing coconuts for processing.
Clean brown coconuts emerge from washing. Sanitized husks ready for removal to access white flesh.
Mechanical spikes strip away brown fibrous husk. Automated dehusking revealing hard shell beneath.
Brown fibrous husk tears away, revealing hard shell. Dehusking accessing white flesh for milk extraction.
Hard brown shell exposed after dehusking. Natural protection around white coconut flesh for milk. Brown fibrous husks become valuable byproduct. Coir fiber for matting and ropes. Dehusked brown shells advance to cracking station. Breaking shell to access white flesh inside.
Precision blade cracks brown shell cleanly. Automated cracking preserving white coconut flesh.
Brown shell opens revealing white coconut flesh. Thick white meat ready for milk extraction. White coconut flesh scraped from brown shell. Clean separation collecting meat for milk. Pure white coconut flesh advances to grinding. Brown shells separated as byproduct.
Fresh white coconut flesh shows premium quality. Pure white color perfect for milk extraction.
Clean water rinses white coconut flesh. Final washing before grinding for milk.
White coconut flesh enters industrial grinders. Mechanical grinding creating base for white coconut milk.
Sharp blades pulverize white coconut flesh finely. Grinding releasing oils for creamy white milk. Industrial mixers blend white paste and water. Extraction creating creamy white coconut milk.
Creamy white coconut milk forming in mixer. Pure white liquid with natural cream undertone.
Temperature control optimizes milk extraction. Heat releasing coconut fats for creamy white milk.
White coconut milk extraction complete. Creamy white liquid ready for separation. Creamy white coconut milk flows to filtration. Pure white liquid advancing for purification.
Coarse filtration removes coconut fiber. White milk becoming smoother texture.
Fine filtration refines white coconut milk. Multiple stages creating smooth, creamy liquid.
Filtered coconut milk shows smooth, creamy texture. Pure white liquid with natural cream undertone. Centrifuge separates thick. Density separation creating two products.
Thick white coconut cream separated. Rich, creamy white product with high fat content.
Regular white coconut milk flows separately. Creamy white liquid for standard products.
Homogenization creates stable white coconut milk. Uniform texture preventing separation. Homogenized white milk shows uniform texture. Stable, creamy white liquid throughout.
Pasteurization ensures white coconut milk safety. Heat treatment, preserving quality. Precise temperature control during pasteurization. Heat, ensuring safety of white coconut milk.
Rapid cooling after pasteurization. White coconut milk temperature dropping for bottling. Laboratory testing verifies white milk quality. Chemical analysis ensuring premium product.
Fat testing verifies white coconut milk richness. Cream content analysis ensuring consistency.
pH testing ensures white milk stability. Acidity within optimal range for freshness. Expert tasters verify white milk flavor quality. Sensory evaluation detecting any defects.
Quality approved white coconut milk ready for bottling. Premium creamy white liquid verified.
White coconut milk advances to bottling line. Creamy white liquid ready for containers.
Clean glass bottles ready for white coconut milk. Clear containers displaying creamy white liquid. Glass bottles positioned precisely under nozzles. Automated alignment for white milk filling.
Creamy white coconut milk fills glass bottles. Pure white liquid flowing precisely into containers.
Multiple bottles fill with white milk simultaneously. High-speed operation maintaining quality.
Filled bottle displays creamy white coconut milk. Pure white liquid visible through clear glass.
Bottles filled with white milk advance to capping. Creamy white liquid ready for sealing.
Automated capping seals white milk in bottles. Hermetic closure protecting creamy white liquid.
Precise torque seals white milk bottle. Airtight closure maintaining freshness.
Sealed bottles display white coconut milk beautifully. Creamy white liquid visible through clear glass.
And Tetra Pak cartons provide alternative packaging. Aseptic technology for white milk shelf stability.
Sterile cartons form automatically. Aseptic packaging for white coconut milk. White coconut milk fills sterile carton aseptically. Creamy white liquid in protective packaging.
Heat sealing closes cartons completely. White milk protected in aseptic packaging.
Branded cartons contain creamy white coconut milk. Professional packaging ready for market.
Glass bottles and cartons both package white milk. Different formats for consumer choice.
Labels applied to glass bottles. Branding on containers showing white milk inside.
Labeled bottle displays white coconut milk beautifully. Creamy white liquid visible through clear glass. Date codes mark every white milk package. Traceability from production to consumer. Inspectors verify packaged white milk quality. Visual checks ensuring perfect products.
Inspector verifies white milk appearance in bottle. Pure white color with cream undertone confirmed.
Metal detection protects white milk quality. Safety screening every package.
Quality approved white milk packages ready for cases. Individual packaging complete. Shipping cases prepared for white milk packages. Secondary packaging protecting bottles and cartons.
Glass bottles showing white milk loaded carefully. Clear bottles displaying creamy white liquid arranged in case. Cartons containing white milk packed separately. Efficient case loading for each format.
Filled case shows white milk bottles inside. Creamy white liquid visible through clear glass. Cases sealed, protecting white milk inside. Secure closure for bottles and cartons.
Case labels identify white coconut milk contents. Logistics information for distribution.
Labels provide complete white milk information. Tracking data for coconut milk distribution.
Labeled cases ready for palletizing. White coconut milk products staged for bulk packaging.
Wooden pallets prepared for white milk cases. Foundation for bulk packaging.
First case layer establishes stable base. White milk cases arranged systematically.
Robotic precision stacks white milk cases. Automated pattern ensuring load stability.
Layer by layer building creates stable pallet. White milk cases stacked to optimal height. Interlocking pattern creates structural stability. Engineering optimizes white milk case load.
Completed pallet reaches optimal shipping height. White coconut milk cases perfectly stacked.
Automated wrapper prepares to secure pallet. White milk case load ready for protection.
Clear stretch film anchors to pallet base. Foundation for complete load protection.
Spiral wrapping unifies white milk cases. Transparent film securing entire load. Complete wrapping protects white milk pallet. Transparent film allowing product visibility. Labeled pallet identifies white coconut milk contents. Complete logistics information for distribution.
Forklift begins transport to refrigerated warehouse. White milk pallet moving to cold storage.
Smooth hydraulic lift raises white milk pallet. Professional handling protecting glass bottles inside. Internal logistics moving white milk to cold storage. Temperature control maintaining quality. Refrigerated warehouse protects white coconut milk. Cold storage maintaining product quality. Temperature monitoring maintains cold storage. White milk quality protected by refrigeration.
Forklift navigates through cold storage. White milk pallet finding designated location. White milk pallet positioned in cold storage rack. Refrigeration preserving product quality.
White coconut milk protected in refrigerated storage. Cold temperature preserving creamy white liquid.
Digital systems track white coconut milk inventory. Real-time monitoring in cold storage.
Organized cold storage protects white milk inventory. Multiple pallets in refrigerated environment.
First in, first out ensures white milk freshness. Systematic rotation in cold storage.
Refrigeration systems monitor constantly. White milk storage conditions maintained precisely.
Order fulfillment begins from cold storage. White coconut milk pallets selected for distribution.
Refrigerated trucks maintain cold chain. White milk quality protected during distribution. White milk pallets loaded into refrigerated transport. Cold chain continuing to customers. From tropical brown coconuts to creamy white coconut milk. Complete transformation journey. Journey complete from coconut plantation to bottled white milk. Pure white creamy coconut milk ready for consumers.